Hello viewers, I'm Paul White and welcome back to Paul's Train Vlogs. Anyway viewers, I'm going to give you guys a trip on Sydney Metro on Metropolis set number 9 from Central to Martin Place in the one direction. Anyway viewers, if you haven't yet subscribed to Paul's Train Vlogs, please hit the subscribe tab at the bottom of the screen, and also don't forget to please ring the notification bell. And thank you for watching.
Next stop is
Pitt Street. Pitt Street.
Hyde Park, Town Hall, and Community. Doors will open on the
I'll show you in a minute, yeah. Show you in a minute. We're at another station.
This stop is
Pitt Street.
Should we sit down now? Let's have a rest. You just sit here.
Next and final stop, Martin Place. Martin Place only, stand clear of closed doors.
please stand clear. Doors closing. The next stop is Martin Place.
Ladies and gentlemen, next and final stop is Martin Place. This train terminates at Martin Place. Would all passengers please alight from the train upon arrival at Martin Place? Those travelling on to Tallawong, please proceed to platform number 4. Martin Place next up, this train terminates.
Martin Place. Alight for Royal Open Gardens and Art Gallery of New South Wales. Change for T4 and Intercity South Coast Line train services. Doors will open on the left.
Due to sector, the service ends at Martin Place. Please leave the service here and transfer to platform 4 for metro service towards Tallawong.
Anyway viewers, now the return trip on Central to Martin Place Yo-Yo Shuttle.
Please stand clear. Doors closing. The next stop is
Pitt Street.
this stop is
Pitt Street.
for Hyde Park, Town Hall, and QED. Doors will open on the right.
Pitt Street,
After my game service. All my life I'm doing that. You know what it was? But as long as Anna's there, as long as Chloe's there, it should be fun. Like, I have. Tilly's fine. But this time, like, I think Tilly doesn't care. So you know what? You reckon? Chloe. Chloe's the one that introduced us to Sydney.
Please stand clear. Doors closing. The next stop is Central.
Sitting on the left, right. It's a fake life. We're that way. Next up, Central.
Is Central. Change for Sydney, Airport Line, Intercity and Regional trains.
Specialist service is at Central. The Southern to Waterloo Seaview trains to return to local buses. The cabin to Sydney use C4 line tracks.
This stop is Central.